Hello, good morning dear students. Welcome to our GKRP online classes. So today's class based on political parties, the sixth chapter of our civics subject. What the political parties? Okay. So everyone know that different kind of political parties are present in India, like BJP, Congress, then Aam Aadmi Party, then Bahujan Samaj Party. These are the political parties. Generally, everyone knows them. Okay. First thing is, what is political party? Okay. How is these political parties are formed? Who form the political parties? Okay. So in this chapter, we will discuss about what is political party. Okay. Then what are the main functions, or you can say chief functions. You can say main work of political party. After that, what is state political party and national political party. In this chapter, we will discuss about some of the important political party of India, like BJP, Congress, BSP, then Communist Party. Okay. After the state political party and national political party. Got it? So the first thing is, what is political party? Okay. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. Okay. So what is political party? A political party is a group of people, mainly group of people, or you can say unity of people, who mean that people who come together, that group who come together to contest elections. Their chief function is what? Contest elections and hold power in the government. And hold power, you can say what? To make government. What is the chief function of political party? That they compete in elections or contest in election, and their chief aim, or you can say their basic aim, to hold power or to what? Form the government. Got it? This is political parties. Got it? After that, some of the chief functions of what? Political parties. Why they appear in national politics? Okay. And why the political parties are what? Compete in election procedure. After that, what is the chief function of political party? So first thing is what? The political party contest in election. Chief function, what? The contest in elections to hold the power of the government or to form the government. After that, the political parties forward different policies and programs, and the voter choose from them. A party reduces a vast number of opinions into a few basic positions which each supports. Okay. After that, parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Okay. If the power of the government, okay, is handled by a single person, a single political party, then the political party what will be? You can say the political party rule as their wish. Okay. And that type of what ruling government is known as, you can say, despotic power. If the many political parties are what you can say involved to form the government, then the you can say governmental system or administrative system is going on smoothly. Okay. So to balance the governmental system, to balance the you can say administrative system, okay, the political parties is must needed parts of the you can say government. Got it? After that, political parties form and run the government. One of the political parties who elected the you can say who got the majority, then the political party what will be form the government. So the political parties was form the government as well as contest in the elections. Then those parties that lost in the elections party, the role of opposition to the parties in power. Okay. The elections held between many political parties, okay, among them, okay, one party got the majority or get the majority and form the government, okay, another party lost in the election procedure. The parties are played the opposition role in the parliament, and they are always, you can say, asking question to the running government, okay. So the, you can say, so the the chief of the state as well as the opposition leader is also the, or you can say the opposition party is also a, you can say, also a important part of our governmental administrative system. So these are the, you can say, functions of political parties, okay. After that, what is the types of political party, or you can say what are the types of political party? Types of political party. One party system, so what are the types of political parties? There are three types of political, you can say, political parties, okay. One party system, then two party system, or you can say bi-party system, okay, and also multi-party system. There are the three type of political party system which are running in India. Got it? So the first one is what? One party system. You can write here two party system, one party system, two party system, and multi-party system is going on in Indian politics. So the first one is, what is one party system? So only one party is allowed to control and run the government. Only one single political party is allowed to form and run the government, is known as one, you can say, one political party system. After that, two or bi-party system. What is bi-party system? Power usually changes between two main parties. You can say two political parties are participate in forming government, and also they has the responsibility to run the government. That process of the system is known as what? Two party system, because two political parties are involved in running in the government, are involved in administrative system, okay. After that, what is multi-party system? Okay, what? More than political parties, okay, more than two political parties are involved in that administrative system. That system usually or simply known as what? Multi-party system, okay. Then several parties compete the power, and more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power after either on their own strength or in alliance with other, okay. They are known as what? Multi-party system, or that system is known as, you can say, multi-party system, okay. After that, the question is, who control over the political parties, or you can say who maintain control over the political parties. So the main function of, you can say, political parties is to contest in election and form the government. That's why the Election Commission of India, you can say, in every state the Election Commission is controlled over what? Political parties. So what is the role of Election Commission in control of political parties? Listen carefully, that every party in India has to register with the Election Commission. If they wish to what compete or contest election, then they should what has to register with the election commission. After that, the commission treats every party as equal to the others, but it offers special facilities to large and established parties. Okay, after that they are given a unique symbol and are recognized political parties. The symbols are also, you can say, provided by Election Commission of India to every political parties. Okay, so you can say the Election Commission of India, okay, control over all political parties. Got it? Okay. After that, what political parties like state political parties and national political parties. National political parties, second state political parties. State political parties. So what is national political parties and what state political parties? So first thing is national political parties. Okay, a party that secures at least 6% of the total vote in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. Okay, once again, a party that secures at least 6% of the total vote in Lok Sabha elections. Okay, 6% of the total votes means 552 seats to minimum 6% of vote gained by that political parties. After that, or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national political party. Okay, so according to our book, some of the political parties are, you can say, are in the books. Okay, the first one is Indian National Congress or INC. You can say INC is a national political party. Okay, so it is popularly known as the Congress Party, INC. Okay, and it was founded in 1885. What? National INC. It was founded in 1885 by Alan Octavian Hume. Okay, and it played a dominated role in Indian politics as the national and state level for several decades after India's independence. Yes, as we have already known that after the means in the independent, you can say independent event. Okay, Indian National Congress, okay, which was found in 1885, played a key role in the freedom struggle of India. So after independent, what the INC or Indian National Congress totally dominated other political parties and formed the, or you can say, and ran the Indian government for a long periods, for a decades. Okay, long decades. After that, what? Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP. What? BJP. Bharatiya Janata Party, and you can say nowadays what? Bharatiya Janata Party, you can say, run the Indian government. Okay. Then the Bharatiya Janata Party founded in 1980 by reviving the, you can say, erstwhile Bharatiya Jan Sangh. 1980. Okay, in the beginning period, Bharatiya Janata Party was known as Bharatiya Jan sung. Okay, after that, after 1980, it was renamed as what? BJP or Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, after that, Bharatiya Janata Party cultural nationalism for Hindutva is an important element in its organization of origination of Indian nationhood and politics. The important, you can say, the important agenda of BJP from the beginning is Hindutva, or you can say to protect the Hindu community in India. This is the common agenda of BJP or Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, and Bharatiya Janata Party wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India. Okay. After that, Bahujan Samaj Party or BSP. Nowadays, what Mayawati is the leader of Bahujan Samaj Party (BSP). Okay. It was formed in 1984. When 1984, the BSP was formed. Okay. After that, under the leadership of Kansi Ram. Okay, under the leadership of Kansi Ram, the Bahujan Samaj Party was formed in 1984. Then it seeks to represent and secure power the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. So this parties was mainly formed for, nowadays it also works for what, economically backward class people like ST and OBCs, ST, SCs, OBCs and other minorities. Okay, to fulfill, you can say, for the upliftment of, or you can say for the development of ST, SCs, OBCs and other religious minorities, the Bahujan Samaj Party was formed under the leadership of Kansi Ram in the year of 1984. Okay. Then Communist Party of India, it was founded in 1964. It believes in theory or ideologies of Marxism and Leninism. It supports socialism, secularism and democracy and opposes imperialism and communalism. Okay. After that, CPI, Communist Party of India, it was formed in 1925. Okay, it is also a major party in India, major political party in India. CPI, or Communist Party of India, it was formed in 1925. It believes in the ideology of Marxism as well as Leninism, secularism and democracy. Got it? After Communist Party of India, there is a major party, that is Nationalist Congress Party, or you can say NCP, and it is also a national political party. It was formed in 1999. Okay, it accepted democracy, Gandhian policies, Gandhian ideology, followed by what? NCP, Nationalist Congress Party. Then secularism, equality, social justice and federalism. So this kind of ideology are occupied by Nationalist Congress Party. These are the, you can say, these are the major national political party of India. After that, state parties. Yes. After that, state political parties. What is state political parties? So, other than these 6 parties, most of the major parties of the country has classified the election commission as state parties. Okay. Then, you can write some of the best example of state political parties. You can write BJD. Okay, Biju Janata Dal. Then Akali Dal. Okay, these you can say these are the state political parties who leaded general election or who contest in general elections in a particular state. Okay, that are known as state political parties. Got it? So this is all about what national political party and state political party. Okay, you will give the examples of state political parties like RJD, Rashtriya Janata Dal. After that, Akali Dal, BJD, Biju Janata Dal, and Shiv Sena. These are the best example of state political parties. Okay. After that, partisanship. Partisanship is what? A partisan is a person who is strongly committed to a party, means a party member, okay, who is strongly bonded with that particular party, okay, group or faction. As parties are about a part of the society, they involve what? Partisanship. Mean the members are usually known as what? Partisans. They are, you can, strongly bonded or strongly committed with the policies of that particular party. Means they are the active member of that particular political party, okay, and they are known as what? Partisan. Okay. After that, what is the role of opposition party in the government system, in the administrative system? Opposition parties mobilize opposition to the government. It puts forward its own views in parliament and criticizes the government for its failure. By doing this, it keeps a check on the ruling party. So opposition, you can say the role of opposition party is most important in the governmental system, because it always what, you can say, check the work, check the functions of the running government, and it always criticizes the failure of the government. That's why what the government or the ruling political party is always, you can say, is always in alert mode, and they are always doing the welfare work, and they were always try to do their best, okay, because the what, yes, the what the opposition political party is always questioning to them. That's why what they are, or the ruling political party is always in alert mode. They are trying their best to do the welfare work for the people of society. So this is the, you can say, best role of the opposition in the parliament, or you can say in the administrative system. Okay. After that, what are the efforts to reform political parties? Okay, what are the efforts are made, you can say, made by administrative system to reform political parties? Okay, so the constitution has been amended to prevent elected MLAs and MPs from changing parties. Okay, now if any elected MLA or MP changes his party, he or she will lose his or her seat in the legislative assembly or parliament. This amended law has helped to bring down the number of defections. Means through this type of rules and regulations, okay, through the Constitution of India, the political parties are reformed. Means a MP or MLA, if he is in the, you can say, position, oh, okay, he or she cannot what deal with other political parties. Okay, so this type of, you can say, laws, rules, regulation, policies which are provided by Indian Constitution to every political party should be followed compulsory. Okay. After that, the Supreme Court has passed an order to reduce the influence of money and criminals in election procedure as well as in the political party. Then now it has become mandatory for every candidate who contests an election to file an affidavit giving details of his asset and criminal case pending against him. This has helped in making this information available to the public before a candidate compete in elections. He or she has to what, you can say, file his details in front of election commissions. Okay. If he or she, you can say, involved in any criminal offense, then their participation will be cancelled or not allowed by the Election Commission of India. Then the Election Commission has passed an order making it necessary for political parties to hold their organizational elections and file their income tax returns. So this type of, you can say, this type of policies are provided by Indian Constitution to reform or to polish the political party. Okay, the Constitution also, you can say, make eyes on political parties, that the political parties should not be what involved in any malpractices or any dirty tricks which in any dirty tricks in to own the election procedure in election system. So this type of many laws are, you can say, implemented or executed by the Indian Constitution to reform political parties, or you can say to polish the political parties, and you can say also what to organize a free and fair election in India. Okay. Okay, so this is all about what political parties who are work in Indian politics. Okay, let's have a discuss again about the functions of political party. Okay, so the chief function of political party to contest in elections and, you can say, hold the power of the government. After that, policies, political parties put forward different policies and programs so that the voters can choose from them. The policies and programs of the ruling party are expected to be followed by the government. Okay, then after what, after the policies are, you can say, made by political parties, or the promises you can say made by political parties for a good society, for making a welfare society. In the making law procedure, the political parties also played their role. Okay, after that, formation of government, political parties form and run government. The executive body is formed by people from the ruling party. Then playing opposition. Okay, the political parties are also what playing the opposition role. They are always questioning the government, ruling government. They are always what criticize the failure of the government. Then the political party what shaping public opinion. Political parties shape public opinion. Okay, they do so by rising and highlighting issues in the legislature and in the media, providing access to government machinery. Political parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare scheme implemented by government. So political party or the opposition always forced to the government to what work in their way. Okay, work in their views, work in their policies. It also what always asking question, criticize, you can say criticize the action made by the ruling party. Okay, it shape what political parties shape the you can say shape the public opinion, and you can say give the advice to the ruling party, to the ruling government to work according to the, you can say, public opinion. So this is all about the 6th chapter of our civics book, that is political party. Let's take a quick recall of this chapter, that in political parties. Okay, we are discussing about what is political party, then the function of political parties. After that, the types of political parties. There are 3 types of political parties. Okay, one party system, after that two party system, after that multi party system. Then national political party as well as state political party. Is national political party what? The INC, the Indian National Congress, then BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, then Communist Party of India, after that Bahujan Samaj Party. Okay, these are the major, you can say, national political parties of India. After the state, or you can say regional political party. Okay, regional political party like Akali Dal, BJD, then RJD. Okay, Rashtriya Janata Dal. These are the major, you can say, Shiv Sena. These are the major regional, or you can say, state political party of India. This national political party as well as you can say the regional or state political parties are controlled by Election Commission of India. Okay, it allowed the political parties in contest in the elections. After that, the Election Commission of India is also check the political party, that the political party should not be involved in any criminal cases or any dirty tricks to win the elections. After that, the symbols are also provided by the Election Commission of India. After that, the chief functions of what? Political party. That the chief function of political party is what? To contest in the election, or you can say form the government, or to take part in the administrative system of our country of India. Okay. After that, it also the majority, you can say the political party who get the majority in the election, okay, that political party will be what? Form the government. After the losing party will be what? Played the opposition role in the parliament. The opposition party always questioning or criticize the failure of the running government or ruling political party. It also saves the public opinion and advise the, you can say, advise or indicate or the ruling party to work over the public domain, work over the public opinion. So this is all about the chapter what? Political parties. And political party is very much essential for a democratic nation, for a free and fair, you can say free and fair administrative system. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.